polished helm and porcelain breath. Incense curling through the filters of my chest. Every color catalogued, every echo filed a name. Perfect pattern, every pleasure held and tamed. I walk on velvet bones, hear prayers like threaded glass. Even war is art framed in gilded ash. Every tremor in the air, another note to trace. I taste the spectrum on my tongue in every face. I was the master of sensation, sculpting beauty out of pain. Now the silken choir of ruin sings my title in my veins. I chase the edge of every whisper till the quiet starts to scream. Losing measure, losing meaning as the flavors start to bleed. First, a crack in the cadence of your cry. Just a hair light stumbles and it fascinates my mind. I lean in closer, but the pitch begins to slide. Once a single perfect note, now 1,000 jagged lines. Your terror should be sweet like rare and vintage wine, but the aftertaste is hollow, thin and dry. So I twist the dial again, higher, sharper, more. Still the shiver that I worship leaves me bored. I was the master of sensation, sculpting beauty out of pain. Now the silken choir of ruin sings my title in my veins. I chase the edge of every whisper till the quiet starts to scream. Losing measure, losing meaning as the flavors start to bleed. Why is every color faded? Why is every scream the same? Once a symphony of suffering, now a flat and formless play. Tear it out, it's not enough. Tune it higher, feed me static, feed me ashes. Drown me, crown me in the choir. Voices in the vox like insects in my ears. Listen, metal grinding, chewing on my fears. Armor plating, singing in a language made of knives. Blessed be the blessed dissonance devouring my mind. Taste of copper, tongue of glass, skin is peeling into light. Every touch erupts in thunder, every footstep burns the sky. I claw at volume till it fractures, till the rhythm splits in two. Hear the heartbeat of the galaxy, laughing, laughing as it's chewed. I am the carcass of sensation, hollow instrument of need. Let the shattered choir of ruin drag new music from my screen. against my chest.